Good Tuesday evening there to you, Philadelphia down through Charlotte. This discussion will cover this storm developing along the East Coast, and will be moving up into the Northeast overnight tonight and into tomorrow, Wednesday. Right now, we're looking at the regional radar. Everything is all rain at this point across South and North Carolina, and we're not expecting any snow at all here in the Piedmont, the Charlotte area. If anything, it's going to be in the mountains here to the west of us in the higher elevations above 3,000 feet, as we will be safe from any type of wintry precipitation here in Charlotte. Although we could get some heavy rainfall, ponding, flooding on the roadways, especially with leaf clogged drains down here, could be an issue as this rain picks up overnight. Currently dry still here up in Philly, although the precipitation will be spreading from the south up into the city overnight, and it will be kind of a cold rain. Let's take a look now at the national image. Big blob of rain down here, heavier storms, heavier rain with some storms, I should say, down here in northern Florida. And here comes the surface lows that's starting to get its act together here off the coast, the southeast coast, off South Carolina. And just all the Carolinas right now just getting soaked. Back in through Atlanta right now, they're 54 degrees and socked in there with some pretty steady rains. This whole system tracks up the east coast overnight and will draw in cold air behind it from Canada, where it's in the teens right now up here in southern Canada, and this air will be drawn in behind the storm, changing everything all over to snow. Let's take a look at the model forecast for this whole scenario. Okay, as we go throughout the night tonight, looking at this specialized model forecast here, it shows us cloud cover, a whole bunch of temperature profiles, and the green stuff is rain and the blue stuff is snow, so that's what we're most interested in here in this image. Now this is heading into the wee hours of tomorrow morning, about 5 a.m., and here we go, 5, 6, 7 a.m. It looks like it's a rain-snow mix there across the suburbs, and it's raining across the Philly. It's raining across Ridley Park. It's raining across southern Chester County, Kennett Square, all the way through the Delaware border, Hockessin, however you pronounce that name. And it looks like the precipitation tries to change over to snow fairly early in the day. This could be a lot sooner than some people thought at first. Then we change over to a mix with some sleet later on in the morning here on Wednesday, and it sleets for like 2 or 3 hours. It mixes straight. Ice pellets, maybe some grapple, sleet pellets and all that, and it doesn't finally change back over into a pure snow, a wet snow at that, as we get into the later afternoon hours, maybe around rush hour or so. It's snowing, and then that system just pulls away quickly. So depending on how much snow or sleet falls, the amounts could be even less than first thought, like maybe 1 to 3. But we'll cross that bridge as we come to it tomorrow and see what happens once this storm forms, gets its act together. It moves away. It looks like sky's clear as we head into early Thursday night. It's going to get really cold, so we're going to want to have to make sure the heat's on Thursday and Thursday night on Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody, and please, it's not the end of the world. So be careful out there as you're venturing to get your bread and milk. Have a great day.